Good afternoon, boys and girls. It's your favourite grumpy granny from Groger's Patch, and I'm back again with another little nugget for you. And today I'm going to show you how I photograph and measure my jeans. How about that? Well, let's get into it. So boys and girls, when I do my photographing and measuring of my jeans, I take 3 measurements, and they are the ones that I do whether it's girls' jeans or boys' jeans. So this is the first one, which I measure from lay the garment flat and measure across in inches, and that is the waist measurement. And now I'm just going to readjust a little bit, and then I'm going to do the rise, and that is from the crotch seam up to the top of the waistband. Now I choose to photograph my measurements in inches because it shows up a lot clearer on the photographs, and the general measurement for jeans is inches. So I do all my pants in that. And now I'm going to do my next measurement, which is the inseam, which is from the crotch down to the hem. And I also, because I can, I fold the other ruler in half, and that gives them the width of the cuff as well. So they do get a little bonus extra measurement in there. And now I'm going to just finish photographing these jeans, these lovely burnt orange coloured jeans. Aren't they fabulous? As I've said before, I use my iPhone for photographing jeans, and I find it works quite well with the tips that I have previously given you. I do not have the room to lay them flat, so I do what I call folded flat lay, which is like this, where to show the full hem and everything, I fold the legs up. I always make sure I snip off any little extra threads that might be hanging off, and then I get the lint roller out and give it a quick once over to make sure that there's no yucky lint on it when I go to take the photo, so that they look as nice as they possibly can when I present them to my customers. Now I'm just going to fold them up, and I fold them in half, and then I do another photo. I make sure everything's all nice and straight. I fold them right up and tuck that little bit of crutch in, so that when I go to put them in my plastic bags, they will store inside there absolutely perfectly. Now always take a photo of the back, and particularly if there is a label on the jeans. And now I'm going to get a bag out, and I write the SKU number on the bag. I am getting to the point where I am going to actually order some numbered labels, I think. I don't know, I'm going to check the cost out, whether it's cheaper to print them myself or whether I will get them printed out. And then I just pop them in the bag. They fit in these size bags perfectly, and of course then that bag fits straight into my padded mailer. So all perfect, and there you go.